Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you Postman from the scratch, step by step. So if you are a beginner and you don't know how to install Postman, how to send GET request, how to send POST request, how to test APIs and how to send JSON data, then don't worry. After watching this video, you will be able to test any backend API like a pro. So without wasting any time, let's start. So first of all, what is Postman? Postman is an API testing tool. We use it to test backend APIs without frontend. For example, if we create an API like login API, register API, get product API, add product API, then Postman help us to test all these APIs easily. So basically, Postman is used by developers to check whether APIs are working properly or not. Now let's download Postman. Open your browser and search Postman download. Now open the official Postman website. You will see an option called Download for Windows. Now after downloads, open the installer. Now click on Run. Now when you open Postman, it may ask you to sign in. You can sign in using Google or email. But if you don't want to sign in, you can also click on Skip and go to the app. Postman will work fine without login also. Now click on Open Lightweight API Client. Now guys, this is the Postman interface. Here you will see Workspace, Collections, Request tab, HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, URL bar, Body, Response section. So now we will learn everything practically. Now first click on New. Then select HTTP request. Now a new request tab is opened. At the top, you can select method like get, post, put, delete, and beside it, you can enter your own API URL. Now before testing Postman, make sure your backend server is running. So open your VS Code terminal and run npm run dev. Now you will see something like this. Server is running on port 5000, MongoDB connected successfully. That means backend is working. So I have covered this topic in my previous video. Make sure to watch to connect MongoDB successfully. I will provide the link in my description and the I button. Now let's test a simple GET API. Now open your server.js file and write this GET API. Now open Postman, select method GET, enter URL. Now click on send. In the response section, you will see this API running. So this confirms our server is working. Now guys, you will see a status code like 200. This means request is successful. If you get 404, this means route not found. If you get 500, means server error. So status codes are very important. Now let's test post request. Post request is used to send data to server. For example, register user API or add product API. Now select method post. Now enter URL. Now go to body tab, select raw and then choose JSON. Now send JSON data like this. Now click send. If your API is working correctly, you will get a success response and data will be stored in MongoDB. Now to confirm that data is really saved in MongoDB, go to MongoDB Atlas, click on browse collections and you will see your database and collection. And inside collection, you will see the inserted document. So this confirms that MongoDB is connected and working. Now to fetch saved data, we will test another GET request. Select method GET, enter URL. Now click send and you will get all saved users in response. So this confirms that our API is successfully retrieving data from MongoDB. So guys, this is how you can install Postman and test your backend APIs step by step. In this video, we covered what is Postman, download and installation, testing GET request, testing POST request, and checking data in MongoDB. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And comment if you want more backend tutorials. See you in the next video.